Steve.
Go, Steve.
I don't know if they put me last because they figured everybody would be gone, or because they think I'm really bad and I'll make everybody leave. I'm not presenting anything that is tied to anything. I'm just going to have some fun. I'm going to close it out with kind of a, hopefully some laughs and a bang, but we'll see. All right, so my presentation is kind of, I'm going to play the role of an IT director presenting you, our leadership team, thank you for being the leadership team, a technology strategy. And I'm going to talk a little bit about how to answer some questions, as well as do a quick technology training. Here we go. But remember, every other slide is going to be what you heard, not what you saw. So first up, we're going to be doing some technology cool stuff this year. We're going to roll out some new hardware, some new software, as well as a network upgrade and some cool devices that are going to do some network stuff, and a lot of just kind of cool. Whoa. So, coming today, only today, unlimited data. That's right, unlimited data storage. And if you act now, we're going to double the speed of that storage. Because you know what? Tech toys are where it's at. We're going to spend all of our budget on toys. Okay, so we're going to have this cool new website. It's going to have all of these Web 2.0 things, social media, social networking. We're going all out. One-stop shop for our customers, real engagement, real involvement. We're going to have it up. That's right, you heard it. We're going to have it all. We're going to have a website that has everything. It's going to have tools, gadgets, widgets, smadgets. I don't even know what those are. They're going to be all over there. No one's going to know how to use them. No one's going to care. But you will have them. It'll be the Swiss Army knife of websites. Tools for everything. So how are we going to do this? Well, we're going to do it gradually. We're going to try to pick some pilot groups. We're going to try to roll this out in some waves. But we're going to have some cool gadgets and toys. So don't be expecting, I don't even know where to start. But we're going to pick some cool friends, buy some cool toys, and then we're going to share it with them and not everyone. Because there's no real business need for them. We're just going to have them because we want to. I mean, seriously, why not? So to do this decision-making process, we come up with this cool process as well as a data and logic model, a project plan, and a data analysis across the whole organization. Because that's the way we're making decisions. And you know what? I didn't ask any of you anything, because I don't care. We spend more money and time on this diagram and planning all of this than fixing your problem that you called about yesterday. So now I'm going to take some questions from the audience. How do we cut down the manual paperwork in our... Well, I think we need to talk to HR, and finance, and the other operations group. IT, we're green, we're where it's at. We're trying to cut energy. You know what? I blame all of you! You created the paperwork, you created the process. Why don't you fix it? We gave you the tools, we gave you the software. Why don't you fix it? Stop creating all this paperwork. You created the mess. Okay, so another question from the audience. How do we get more staff access to the network? Well, we really can't at this point because of a whole bunch of reasons. But we're moving to more web-based solutions, and we're moving to some things that will allow you access to without accessing the network. Okay, moving on. We're going to do a quick training of our new time-sheeting software. Make sure that you understand we spent a lot of time picking the one with the best features, all the best gadgets. We took time to make sure it was intuitive, easy to use. I'm going to stand here and do a quick training to make you feel more comfortable, but really, I don't care what you think. We picked it, we liked it, and it's so easy to use. If you have a monkey and a mouse, you can click, it goes. Okay, so why did we pick this timesheet training software? Well, it's going to save us a lot of work and money. It's going to improve our data use, as well as kind of shift the load and give you the power to control your own data. And kind of shift, to give you the access to the information and let you control kind of your own destiny. IT doesn't want to do the work anymore. You do it. It'll take you 10 minutes each instead of us 3 hours, and we're busy. You're not. You do the work, we'll get the benefits. Thank you. Okay, so moving back to our, I'm just That was my whole point. I was trying to have some fun. And, what I'm really trying to say here is, I think all of us try to get everybody on our side. Come to the technology side. You'll love us. But I think what we really need to do is go to their side. Don't get people involved in your process. Don't get people involved in technology. Be on their side and be involved in the mission, be involved in their passion, be on their side. And really, I dedicate this to my favorite topic is IT alignment. Today I focused on the relationship part of it, but John Merritt inspires all of this. Thank you.